Welcome back to another video, guys. We are making a neighborhood library, I think is what I'm going to call this. It's a watertight box with a door for just books. Just to keep books in, share with the neighborhood. I live in a HOA, so, has to get approved by that and all that. But something for the community. Uh, in this video, you don't see me put it outside. It's the middle of winter, so there's snow on the ground and everything underneath it's mud. So I'll post a short later down the line, like May, June, somewhere around there, of the actual post hole and mounting. But other than that, it's just the build video, and yeah, just the build video. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. See ya. In this clip, I'm just showing you, I frame out the front with, I believe, 1x3s. I had them before. I'm not 100% sure what they were. And then I put the middle cleat, as you will, as you say. At the middle section, I just cut the front at 45, so it would frame somewhat perfectly. I show you, I cut angles on the cleat. I'd recommend not doing that. You'll see later on, I have to then add blocking for part of the door. So if you just don't cut your cleat at the angle, you don't need to add that blocking. So yeah, I would just not worry about the angle. Obviously, hindsight, you put frame around the front that block what you would see at those angles that you don't want to see. So yeah, don't worry about the angles. Frame out the front with 45s. Then just staple them on. The next clip you'll see I use a tape measure. That's just to get the right height for to see it from the other side. Here, I use the tape measure just to see the height of the cleat. and then we'll put the roof on. Just because I think putting the roof on is going to cut off my ability to hit every corner. So we'll stain, then we'll screw the roof on. Well, we'll cut it and then screw the roof on. So yeah, let's get staining. All I used to hold the door together were some 90s, and then I put, I think, 2 nails on the adjacent corners to hold it together. And then I'm just dry fitting the hinge just so the holes are there before I stain the door. So for this project, I personally siliconed every single crack that was made from the bad lumber. I would recommend, if you're doing this, in hindsight, after seeing the silicone dry, it doesn't look great, and it looks like it's holding the project together. I would personally recommend trying to wood filler everything, and then paint the wood filler with a exterior stain or exterior paint to waterproof it. I think that would make it look better than the silicone that dries very opaque. Yeah, like it just doesn't dry clear in any regard, and it doesn't even fill most of the gaps. So I would use wood filler and paint it with an exterior color. thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said at the beginning, I'll post a short during like probably May, once it starts warming up and I can actually dig a hole without it filling in with snow or mud. But thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.